In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete documents and data on CapCut and free up a lot of storage space safely. This is especially useful if CapCut has started taking up too much room on your computer, if the app feels slow, or if you just want to clean up old drafts, cache files, cloud items, and hidden update backups. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can remove the right files without deleting anything important by accident. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is clear the CapCut cache. This is one of the safest ways to free space because it removes temporary files like render previews, audio waveforms, and thumbnails, but it does not hurt your saved projects. To do this, open the CapCut desktop application and go to the homepage. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. From the menu, choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Project tab. Here, you should see the cache size section or dashboard. Next to it, click the trash can icon or the clear icon, then confirm the action. CapCut will remove the cache files and clean up temporary data that is no longer needed. If you want to keep your system cleaner going forward, you can also turn on Auto Delete Cache and set it to 15 days. That way, CapCut will automatically manage old cache files for you. Now let's move on to deleting old project drafts permanently. CapCut stores a lot of timeline data for every draft you create, and over time, those projects can take up quite a bit of storage. On the main CapCut homepage, look for your project list under Local Projects. Find the project draft you no longer need, then click the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the project thumbnail. From the menu, select Delete and confirm that you want to remove it. But if you really want to clear everything out completely, don't stop there. Go to the trash bin folder on the left side menu, select all the deleted items, and then click Permanently Delete. This step is important because deleting a draft first may only move it to the trash, and the storage space may not be fully recovered until you permanently remove it. Next, let's clear CapCut Cloud Storage, also known as MySpace. If you have uploaded raw materials, backed up projects, or exported videos to CapCut's free cloud storage, those files can still count against your account space. To check this, go to the bottom left sidebar on the CapCut homepage and click Space or My Space. Once you're inside, browse through the Media, Projects, or Materials tabs depending on what you've stored there. Find anything you no longer need, select it, click the three dots, and choose Delete. This helps clean up your cloud storage so you're not holding onto old files you'll never use again. It's a good idea to review this section carefully before deleting anything, especially if you've backed up important clips or project assets. Now for one of the biggest space-saving steps, deleting hidden update backups. If you use CapCut for PC, the program may keep large installer files from older updates on your system. These backup folders can quietly pile up and take up a huge amount of disk space, sometimes even tens of gigabytes. To remove them, first close CapCut completely so no files are in use. Then press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. In the folder that opens, locate the CapCut folder, then open the Apps folder. Inside, you'll see folders with version numbers like 3.8.0 or 4.0.0. The safest approach is to keep only the newest version folder and delete the older version folders. That usually frees up a massive amount of space without affecting your current installation. Just make sure you are only removing older version folders and not the latest one that CapCut is currently using. So to quickly recap, if you want to delete documents and data on CapCut, you should clear the cache, remove old local project drafts, clean out your MySpace cloud storage, and check for hidden update backups in your app data folder. These 4 steps can make a huge difference if CapCut has been eating up storage on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.